We already know that the purpose of the tax is for revenue, raising revenue, that is the primary. So it means that there is a secondary, there is a primary, and that is non-revenue purposes. So let's discuss, since we are aware of the revenue purpose, let's discuss about the secondary this time. So for secondary, the first is regulation. Regulation. So this would be an act of police power. Okay. In other words, you can use tax to regulate. That is an act of police power. So example, if you want to regulate or to reduce the consumption of tobacco, sin taxes, alcohol and tobacco, you need the sin taxes. You have to make it more expensive in order to reduce the consumption of the user to avoid endangering his or her health in drinking alcohol and smoking tobacco. Second is the promotion of general welfare. Let's say you raise the tax or sin tax for the health purpose. Let's say for public health. Okay, so whatever the process of that will be allocated in there. So we call that one a special fund that is intended for a special purpose. The reduction of inequality, state tax is a means. That is the purpose of having state tax, that when a rich person dies, 6% of its estate will be gone to the public or to the government's pocket, and that will be redistributed to the poor in the form of services. So therefore, their goal is actually to narrow the gap between the rich and the poor. Encouragement of economic growth, example, is to give tax incentives to sugar industry. This would boost this particular industry, that would have an economic effect, favorable economic effect. Let's say increasing our exportation, okay, our export, and also increasing our employment. So those are the effect of the economic growth. Those are the intention of having secondary. Third is protectionism. So if you impose a lot of tariffs and duties on the imported goods, meaning you are protecting the local goods from competition. Okay, so that's the last one. So take note of this. For our 5 secondary purpose, we have regulation, promotion of general welfare, reduction of social inequality, encouragement of economic growth, and protectionism. Thank you.